Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to place a logo on any surface. Let's jump straight into it. Import sample images. Sample image is in description. Press Ctrl or Command T to transform. Right-click and select Warp from the drop-down. Click Custom, then Arch from the Property panel. Click and drag the arch point downwards to the level you want and hit Enter. Hit Ctrl or Command T to transform and resize the logo. Now select the Magic Wand tool. Click to select the unwanted areas of the logo and hit Delete on your keyboard. Right-click on the logo layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Select the background layer and hit Ctrl or Command J to duplicate it. Drag the background layer over the first layer. Set its blend mode to linear burn. Set its opacity to around 70. Right-click the background copy and select Create Clipping Mask. You can adjust the opacity to your desired level. Right-click the logo layer and select Blending Options. Drag the white slider on the underlying layer to the left. Press and hold the Alt or Option key and click to split the slider. Control the splatted sliders till you are satisfied with the results. Click OK when you're done. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications for more amazing videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.